And then also we have from Amazon or any of the other local hardware stores, you can get this. They're just thin wire brushes that are used to clean out the jets inside the carb. I hope I don't need them, but we're about to find out. So what you want to do right here, come around, see the carb bowl is right here, right there. That's your carb bowl. So this nut here, don't worry about that. Pay attention to where this nut is pointing though, so when you go to put it back on, you're putting the bowl on the right way. We're gonna go ahead and take this nut off. Maybe. Okay, take it off slow. Luckily there's some gas in there, so hopefully it shouldn't be too stuck. But we're gonna go ahead and twist this nut off, one-handed. Okay. If you drop it, it's right here. Go ahead and put that on your towel. Now comes the fun part. Let's see what we got in here. Slowly just pinch it off from one side. Try to do it slow. You don't necessarily want to pull that gasket out of there like it just pulled out. Although it's totally intact on the bowl itself, so that should be fine. And of course it's got some brown yucky gas in there, some boogers in there. So yeah, let's put this on the side here. Now, next step, what I do. You can use needle nose pliers if you have them. What I usually use, I should have grabbed this earlier, is these little medical snips. Work good, just for clamping on that little crossbar that holds the bowl onto the carb. So take that out nice and slow, put that on the side. Okay, next up is the actual carb and needle itself. Take that out nice and slow. And the needle looks good, so that's not a huge deal. We're gonna wipe it down, but the needle does look good. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it does get a little bit of, I don't know if it's just dirt or if it's oil kind of separating from the gas, but that tip of that needle gets a little gunked up. So we're gonna clean that off too. So let's put that to the side. Now, everything in here looks pretty good. I wish I had better light. So what I usually typically do in this case, at least to start, is just try to spray carb cleaner through the jets here. What I will do, and this is easier with two hands, is try to get right into that jet there, the main jet. And you can hear it shooting through, which is good. So that means it's not too gunked up inside the actual main jet, which is going to be taking your gas into the engine. So just clear that out. You can see more of the brown gunk and old gas coming out as I'm spraying it. So just a nice healthy little dose of clean there. Next up, we're going to go over to the table here with the carb bowl and all my goodies. Let me get set up over here.